They believed in one God. They had no army, no weapons, only faith. So their enemies dug a trench, lit a fire, and threw them in. This is the story of Ashab al-Ukhdood, the people of the ditch. Long ago, a cruel king ruled a land where no one was allowed to worship Allah. But a young boy secretly studied faith from a pious man. Allah granted him wisdom and miracles, healing the blind and curing illness. The king called the boy and demanded, "Who gave you this power?" The boy replied, "My Lord is Allah." The king tried to kill him, throwing him off a mountain, sending soldiers, but each time, Allah saved him. The boy finally told the king, "You can only kill me if you say, 'In the name of Allah, the Lord of the boy.'" The king obeyed, shot an arrow, and the boy died. But the truth spread like fire. Thousands believed after seeing the miracle. The king was furious. He ordered a massive ditch dug, filled it with fire, and said, "Whoever refuses to reject Allah, throw them in, even mothers with babies held firm." The Qur'an says, "They were burned alive for nothing but believing in Allah." Surah Al-Buruj 85, 4-8. Cursed were the people of the ditch, fire full of fuel. They sat by it, witnessing what they did to the believers. They resented them for no reason except that they believed in Allah. Their bodies burned, but their faith was eternal. Allah honored them in the Qur'an, a reminder. Truth costs, but Jannah is worth it. The people of the ditch stood for truth. Would we stand like them if faith cost everything? Never forget, the fire of this world cannot burn the soul of a believer.